Okay students, now after explaining field types, I'm going to explain each and every field type separately. Okay, first is numeric types. What is numeric types? As the name suggests, this field type is used to store numbers. Based on the types of numbers, it is further categorized into two parts. Here are you able to see two parts? First is whole number field type, another is fractional value field type. Whole number field type, what is the role of this? The following table describes the whole number field types. Tiny integers, small integer, integer and big integer. Now description students. Tiny integers stores either whole number or integers, default fixed length 3 digits. Okay, in your table if you want to store only 3 digits, then you are going to choose or you will choose tiny integer. Next is store either integer or whole number, default length 5 digits. If you want to enter any data which is having 5 digits, then you will take small integer. If you want 10 digit number or 10 digit number, then you are going to choose or you will choose integer. And big integer, what is big int? Big int, if you want more than 19, the length of your numbers will be 19, then you will choose big integer. Okay, next is float. Float, if the default field length is more than 17 byte, you all know students, it is having a large storage. What is real? Similar to float data type, the only difference lies in the method of storing data. You can define maximum 17 decimal places in a number. Double, similar to float data type but can handle double amount of data than the float field type. Students, this is nothing but only all the types will depend on its size. If you want a small size of data, then you will use small integer or and so on. Next is fractional value field type. Fractional value in which you want to enter fractional values. This type of field is used to store the fractional components or numbers. This field type is further categorized into two parts, number and decimal. Number field or numeric, you can say, this field type accepts whole numbers, numbers with decimal, and it can also be set to handle fractions. What is the role of decimal? This field type is especially used to handle numbers with decimal points. Okay. Next is character or string types. Text can either be character or a string. Text means ABCD or alphabetical format. Text field type can be further categorized into these four parts. Text, that is you also say varchar, text fixed value, char, text varchar ignore case, and memo, long varchar. And just let's understand the role of each and every field type. For text type, this is the default field type for shorter string. Its default length is 50. If you want to enter 50 characters, then you will choose text type. Similar, what is text fixed char? Similar to text varchar, the only difference is that the length of the field must be fixed to a certain amount of characters, and any blank space and saved differently in the database code for compatibility with the other kind of applications. Means it is having a fixed value. Then you will use text or fixed char. Text varchar ignore case. It is used to ignore the case sensitive properties. What is case sensitive? It is very important. Just see students, here if I have written India, this is what? This is in caps lock, capital letters. So this is capital case. If this is the password of your email and you have written like this, then this will show an error. So this is case sensitive, means if you have written in capital, then you have to write in capital only. If you will write small letters instead of capital, then it will show error. The same is here, ignore case. Okay, it is used to ignore the case sensitive properties. If you have capital, then you will write small also. It is also has the same length of text varchar. So in this, for a small, you also use to write capital. Memo or long varchar, it is used to store large information. It can store up to 2 GB information. Suppose you have to write something like your address and all, then you will use memo. Next is date and time types. If any type of entries like date and time you want to enter in your table, then you will use date, time, or date and time both. Date stores date, that is month, day and year. Time stores hours, minute and second. While your date or time stores combination of date and time both. Special field type. Special field type, some Boolean type of field is there, yes or no. Radio buttons were there, students. You all have seen radio buttons. You just see and understand from here. This type of buttons you must have seen during filling your form. So you have to choose one only. If you have chosen this one, then whatever the option you have chosen here, the form will accept this one. If again you want to make your choice, if you want to make any changes in this choice, if you are going to choose this one, it will automatically deselect. Means at a time radio buttons only one you are able to choose, another will deselect. So here yes or no, it can store either yes or no, that is 0 or 1. Binary files, it stores Boolean data including encrypted files with different extensions. That is, it can store up to 2 GB of information. Okay. Next is binary. Where binary, this field is the same as a previous one with an exception that it has variable field length. Next is image long varchar or long var binary. This field stores images, sound, etc. It can store up to 2 GB of information. What about others? Store any kind of information including binary data, image, sound, files, clips, etc. Views of a table means how many views are there, how many ways are there in which you are able to see your table. See students, you can work on a table in 2 views, table design view and table data view. See, first is table design view. In design view of table, you have to first create the table structure where you can enter the field name, then type its type and description. The design view is divided into again 2 parts. That is, first is field grid pane and another is field properties pane. In field grid pane, in this pane you can define the field names, their types, their description, etc. Field properties pane, this section is used to set properties for the field defined in the table. Next is table data view. Table data view is used to enter data in a table. What is the use of this? To enter the data in a table, you can double click to the table, name the navigation pane, it opens the table in a table data view. Simply students, what is the use of this views of a table? Simply it is used for entering the data as per students' ease. Next is creating a table. How you are able to create table, how you will create table. To create a table in design view, follow the given steps. In database window, click on the tables icon on the left and then select the option create table in design view. Then base will open a table structure for us in the table design, displaying the 3 columns. First is field name, field type and description. You have to create a structure for the student table, then enter the field name. For the first field, roll number in the field name column. Field name acts as a label which tells the user about the type of information or data to be stored in a field. Press Afterwards, you have to press tab key to move the field type column. By default, text varchar appears in the field name. What is by default? Earlier I had explained students. By default means which is already present. Okay, आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, but ये by default value क्या show करेगा? Varchar, text varchar. Okay. Then click on the drop down arrow and then select the integer field type from the display list. Afterwards, you have to press the tab key to move the description column where you will describe about the field type. Then press tab key and afterwards field name column in the next row will appear. Repeat the process until you create all the required field in a table and set their properties. In this way, in our lab, we will create a table. Then to set a fields property. What is a field property? See here students, after creation of this type of data, something different will appear, and there you have to set the field properties also. Click on the field name for which you want to set a field property. Then you will observe that the field properties related to the particular field appears in the field properties area. Set the properties of all the field as you required. After that, finish the task and then make a click on save button. Okay students. Primary key. What is a primary key students? A primary key is a standard feature of every database management system. What is database management system? Where we will keep our data in a systematic way. Okay. A primary key is a sort of check on the table that uniquely identifies. Very important term, uniquely identifies. Wherever you are going to discuss about primary key, it always speaks about a unique value. Okay. Only if you will write unique value, then also you will get full marks. So primary key will define a unique value of each record in a table. It does not contain any duplicate data. Just like your roll number. If you are having roll number 1, then nobody will have the same roll number in the same class. A table can have only one primary key. The value in the primary key field is different for every record and thus help in uniquely identifying the records.